Do you know many people are having trouble with using a microwave without an exterior vent? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Prepare the microwave. Ensure your microwave is properly installed and equipped with a charcoal filter. Step 2. Access the vent. Turn off the microwave power and open the door to access the vent area. Step 3. Remove vent cover. Remove the vent cover by unscrewing, slide off the vent grill completely. Step 4. Check filter. Check the charcoal filter's condition. Replace it if required, ensuring correct placement. Step 5. Reassemble and power. Reassemble the vent grill and restore power to resume normal operation. Now, your Samsung microwave should operate correctly using the internal venting system. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.